It's the morning of day 3, and our fledgling adults have just one day left to impress their parents before one of them gets the boot. They have to prove that they can run their own home with no hiccups.
Can this be washed? I don't know.
For the first time ever, they're doing the laundry, but instead of clothes, they're washing placemats.
Where'd you put the washing up liquid?
Thought that was for dishes.
What is it? Cotton, synthetic, wood or silk? It's plastic!
Ooh, this could spell disaster.
If only it was so simple.
I don't think that's meant to look like that.
How much did you put in? Half a bottle. Half a bottle?
Oh, that ain't working. Oh my.
I don't open the door, they all come out. Oh.
Put the bucket underneath. I've never put the bucket underneath.
At least the placemats are nice and clean, if a little bit foamy.